Okay, so this video is so long overdue. You guys remember this neon set that you could, well, not you guys, but Instagram picked for me? I had to get them off right away. So that's just what I'm going to do. So I'm going to grab my cuticle nippers and cut off the crystals. So you guys are going to get to see my dust collector in action right now. So I'm just going to grab a fine bit to remove the polish off my nails. So as I'm removing the polish, I'm also going to clean up around the cuticle area. So this set is fairly new. I only have these nails on for about maybe like 2 days before I change the color. So I'm just going to quickly clean up around the cuticle area just so we can have it ready for painting. So I'm just going to grab a fine buffing block. I'm using this orange one. I'm just going to buff out the nail just so it's super smooth and ready for gel application. As you guys know, when I have these nails on, I don't use a base coat, so I want the surface to be as smooth as possible. Okay, so boom, just like magic, I did my other hand real quick. So I'm going to start on this one. I'm grabbing this really pretty purple color from, actually first, I guess I'm going to grab this builder gel just to put back strength. The reason why I stopped doing fills on après nails or any Gel X nail is because when you take the color off, it actually kind of thins out the nail a lot. So in this case, I do have to add another layer of base gel so that they can be strong again. Okay, so now I can go in with the purple. So I'm going to put this on all my fingers except for the middle two. And so we're going to do 2 coats of this per usual. And then I'm going to finish it off with a top coat. So once I've done 2 coats, I'm going to go in with another color. This is like a really, really sheer pink. This is like one of my clients, well, all of my clients' favorite pink color because it's so sheer and beautiful. And it has like little like purple blue reflex in it, so it works pretty good for this look. Anyway, so I'm just going to apply 1 coat to each of the accent nails. So now we can start on the design. I'm going to grab the purple again, and I'm going to grab a purple that's a little bit darker than it, and then I'm also going to go in with I think it was a black. So I'm just going to do a random squiggly line. However you want the marble effect to be on your nail is where you place the polish. So I'm just doing it very uneven, squiggly-ish, yeah. After that, I'm going to go in with a darker purple, and I'm just going to do a bunch of dots inside there, and this is going to be the start of our marble. So with a super thin art brush, I'm just going to go in there and kind of do like figure 8s in there just to kind of blend the light purple and the dark purple. And this is just going to create a nice little marble effect. This is the easiest way that I found to do marble if you're really bad at the marble inks. Okay, so now I'm going to cure that real quick, and then I'm going in with a matte coat. So the reason why I'm putting on a matte coat is because when I use the marble ink, it actually works a lot better on matte nails rather than shiny nails. So make sure you add a matte coat. Okay, so I'm starting with my black marble ink, and I'm just going to place this in random areas just to kind of add a little bit of darkness to the look. And then I'm going to grab my blending fluid and just kind of push it around until I get the desired effect from it. And for the grand finale, I'm going in with this white marble ink, and I'm just going to basically put it all over the top of it just to kind of lighten it up. And then yeah, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going in with blending fluid just to kind of push it around a little bit. I obviously don't want to lose any of the purple that's in there, so I'm just going to use that blending fluid to kind of have some peek out a little bit. So next I'm going in with my Beetles foil glue, and I'm going to go in with this little art brush, and I'm going to trace around the marble. So I have like the clear area and then the marble area, so I'm just going to apply this to the line, and that's where we're going to add our gold foil. So I'm just going to finish it off with top coat on both nails, and that's the completed look, guys. I hope you liked it. I'm so lagging with my video on this. I'm so sorry. But I hope you guys liked it. It's a very, very simple marble look, and it's so fun and so pretty. This is definitely one of my most favorite sets for the spring. So I'm just going to grab my cuticle oil, which you guys know is on my website if you're interested. I'm just going to apply that to the cuticles, and that's it. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.